Welcome back. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML elements. And right now, we'll be talking about style table borders. If you set a background color of each cell and give the border a white color, the same as the document background, you get the impression of an invisible border. That is, for example, if you set your table, your header, and your data cell, if you set the border to what? The border to white and the border collapse to collapse, then you set th and your td background color to another color, you are going to have, it's going to be like you are having invisible border. So let's quickly show you how it works. Let's get back to our document. This is our document. This is what we have in our previous tutorial. Let's see how it looks. This is our previous tutorial. If you don't know how we got here, you can check our previous tutorial. So we are here. So right now, let me show you what we are talking about now. Let's say, for instance, we are having this color here. We want to change it to white. When we change it to white, what will happen here is, can you see, we are not seeing any border here. Our border is now invisible, right? Now let's now change the color of the background color of the th comma and also the td. Not change it, not now. Let's change the background color to what? To, let's say, for like blue or gray. Let's change it to gray. Let's reload our document. Can you see what happens? So that is what they are saying here. For instance, now let's use this color here, the color code here. Let's specify our home. Let's write like let's use red, right? Let's use red background. So let's use red. Can you see? So now let's say, for instance, now you want to our border is now invisible. Now let's use another color for our border to see how it looks now. Let's use green just to test the scope. Can you see how everything looks? So that's what they are trying to talk about here now. So I hope you have understood now. We can style the background color of our table, and also we can style the border of our tables. So once again, Anwar Akorede is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. And before we go, make sure that you try to practice, because practice makes perfect. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.